Hi, my name is Adrian and I'm going to, we are here at Family Mart Shaw and we're just having fun and
We don't care.
snacking.
Dahil pagkain ah.
But now I have a challenge that I'm going to put this, I'm going to throw this in the air and then put it in my mouth.
So, Lenny.
This is Solen Yusa, so let's see if I can make it.
Wait, this is Ann Curtis Smith?
Rufa making.
Isabel Dasha?
Ano kumido?
And Georgina Wilson.
Ako, hindi pa naman.
Solen, go!
Here you go.
What did you do?
Oh, next. Last na to. Pag hindi pa rin, mag-uubad ako.
Go.
One.
Wait lang, sinong hamonin mo?
Ahamunin ko pag nagawa ko to, si Ann Curtis.
Gagawin mo ba yun, Ann?
No.
So, kailangan ko ma-shoot. Dahil pag na-shoot ko to, si Ann.
You should do it.
You should do it.
Yes.
You should do it.
This is challenge.
Yeah.
Go.
Unbreakable chain.
1, 2, 3.
Ang galing.
One for Ann.
Ang galing. It's your turn now, Ann.
Game, guys.
Parang sanay talaga si Ann sa malaki. Ganyan din ba kay Erwan?
Hindi, mga ano. Yung totoo, yung malaki.
Oo, ganun talaga yun sa kapatid.
Eh, yung boyfriend mo, kasi yung kay Borky, parang
Game,
tama
game.
lang.
Ito, yung sa boy.
Game.
1, 2, 3. Saan ba i-shoot, Ann? Saan ba talaga i-shoot?
Dito sa lips.
Kay Rufa face.
Sa phone ko.
Ayoko na.
Ayaw mo na.
Ikaw na, Bel.
Belle, try it. You should do it. Oh my God. Okay, it's your turn now, Rufa making to.
No, I don't know how it can.
Okay, say it.
Okay, George. It's your turn now.
Yeah, it's your turn, George. Wait.
Go, George. Ikaw na. Oo.
Tatawa. Sabay. Isang way lang, George. Isa pa.
Sabay-sabay kami.
Isa pa.
Okay.
Gakalat ka ng peanut. Ganun yung kalapat, i-pressure mo.
Game, guys. Game.
Very good. Okay.
Ayoko mani.
Okay, nasabay-sabay.
Ayoko mani.
Isa, hindi ka kita. Move ka ng konti kay Sol. 3, go. Hindi ka pa rin kita, ano. Yan. 2, 3, go.